Moving on now to mission 14, which is the toy factory. So to set up the toy factory, we require the toy factory model on the field, which you can see is this funnel-shaped device with some more pieces on bottom. But it's also going to require that we use the mini dinosaur toy, which is analogous to the regular dinosaur toy. But what we're going to do is we're going to lift up on the black lever and push the mini dinosaur so that it rests behind that black lever. So we're going to switch over to the tripod camera, which I've actually taken off the tripod to get a better view. So looking at the table, right, we have all these models, and right there is our toy factory. We're going to line up over on this side to get a better view. So this is the black lever that has to be raised. And when it is raised, the toy dinosaur, the dinosaur toy, the mini dinosaur toy, is going to slide in the back, and it's just going to rest in place right there. So that is all that goes into the setup of this mission, is making sure that that the mini dinosaur toy is in place on the toy factory. So now that we have our models set up, let's look at how we can earn some points for this mission. So looking at this, you can actually drop an energy unit in the top, and that will engage the lever to release the toy dinosaur if it falls quickly enough. So we'll look at that. And you can get 10 points for releasing the mini dinosaur toy. But you can also get some points if we have an energy unit at least partially in the slot in the back, or in the red hopper, for a maximum of 3. So there's a few examples here, but let's take a look at this model in action and see how we can get the mini dinosaur toy out of there. So I've got one energy unit, and I'm going to just raise the camera just a little bit, and I'm going to drop it in, and you can see that released the dinosaur toy, so the mini dinosaur toy. So if I were to reset it, and I just lift up on it, it still comes out, but an easy way to get it out is dropping in. I can drop more fuel or more energy units in, and I get points that way. And again, they can be here in the back, or they can be in the red hopper for a maximum of 3. And it doesn't have to be totally in, right? If the example they show has one resting up there like that, and they show that as scoring. So the only rule here is that the energy units used, so let's take a look at the blue text. Energy units stored in the toy factory may not be touching team equipment at the end of the match. So that just means get your robot and your other equipment away from the toy factory when the match is over. Looking at scoring points, we get 10 points for our mini dinosaur toy friend, and 5 points for each of those energy units. Now, they said you can use up to 3, so 3 by 5 is 15, which means this mission can be worth a total of 25 points. But just like with the last mission, we want to start considering our energy budget. So far, there are 12 energy units total. We placed 3 in the energy storage bin. We placed 1 in the watching TV model, so that's 4. And we placed 3 a moment ago in the hydrogen plant. So 3 and 3 and 1 is 7. So we've used 7. We just placed these 3 in the toy factory. So that's 10. So if we were playing through the missions, in order like this, we're down to 2. So whatever mission 15 has in store of us, we've only got 2 energy units to play with right now. So let's see what happens. And again, for mission 14, we have earned 25 points, which is our maximum we can earn on this mission.